From a cost perspective or return on investment, WorkMax has allowed us to bring payroll in-house. We do that all on our own now. We have the ability to support large commercial, industrial, infrastructural projects. We also have a service residential team. We actually made the decision to implement Foundation along with Service Dispatch and WorkMax modules together. We were very pen and paper before. Our guys would turn in time cards each week on the day of payroll, and then we would manually go into a spreadsheet and calculate all of their labor hours, send that off to our payroll processor to then be processed. The guys in the field, they log their time real time, and they do it right from their phone, which is very easy and simple for them. And we can real time bill more often now because we can pull a report out of WorkMax. So we're billing more quickly. We've created a lot of efficiencies. We can communicate better across the office and the field. We paid our CPA probably $1,500 a month, so about a $15,000 savings over the year, which more than covers the cost of WorkMax. We had so many challenges with our previous migrations to the extent of I'm never doing this again, and here I am doing this again, and it's been a wonderful experience, and I truly mean that. And having the best of the best trainers in the sport was a wonderful experience, quite honestly. I'm glad we chose to go with WorkMax when we did.